What's good, guys? Back again with another quick tutorial, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get that vintage grungy black and white effect you see on a lot of streetwear brands today. This is one of the easiest effects you can do in Photoshop, and it's going to be quick, fast, easy, and I'll walk you through it. Now with this one, it's really easy effect. This effect is also going to be in my vintage actions pack that's available on my website. But in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to actually walk through it. So this is the image that I started out with, and this is what it looks like after you add the effects. So, you know, it basically has the black, the white, you know, but you still see a lot of details, you know, and you have the kind of grunge spotted effect in it as well. And you see this, like I said, you see this on a lot of streetwear designs and stuff like that. The first thing we're going to do is go to our image. Make sure your image is a smart object, so click convert to smart object. This one is already a smart object, so we're not going to do that, but make sure you do that on yours. Then we're going to go to filter gallery. So I'm going to come right here in this bottom left corner. I'm going to click this down arrow, and I'm going to click fit on screen just so we can see the whole design. And as you can see, I already have the effect loaded up. What you want to do is make sure that you have these settings right here. You can adjust them as necessary, but for this one, this is what I chose. So you want to get a grain, a texture grain, and put that first. I use 1853 and in a large grain type. After that, I went down to the bottom and clicked new effect layer, and I chose graphic pen, which is under the sketch category. Then I put 2 for the stroke length, 34 for the light dark balance, and I use right diagonal for the stroke direction. And as you can see, the more you adjust it, you know, you get different results. I mean, it's really up to taste. Do what looks best for your design. None of this is like you have to stick to it. You know, you just want to really find what works the best for you. And on top of that, we did one more new effect layer, and we did the stamp effect under sketch, and we just did 2 for the light dark balance and 1 for the smoothness. Then you click OK, and boom, there you go. There's your effect. You can also come in to the bottom right here in your layers, click brightness contrast, create a clipping mask, and you can adjust, you know, the lightness and the dark as you see fit. Like I said, it's also available in my pack, my vintage actions pack here. It's going to be available under streetwear threshold style effect. So all you would have to do, instead of actually going in and typing in and putting in those exact settings every time, you can just come here, click this, and then click play, and it'll automatically do it for your design. No thought, just one click, and yeah, it's that easy, guys. This is a very versatile effect that you can use on a lot of different designs. You know, it's pretty popular right now, so I figured this would be a good video to teach you guys how to do it. Yeah, if you like the quick tutorial, go ahead and like, subscribe, and tap in with me, because like I said, got a lot more coming, and you don't want to miss out on learning stuff that can help you be better.